Welcome. The fifth note on the trumpet is the letter G. Letter G has similar fingering chart with the letter C, with the first one that has the loosed lip position. So letter G also is open. But like I said, when you keep moving, it requires more air to climb. As you go higher, you need more air involved in producing the note. As you're going right now, you started from this particular one requires you just tighten your lips a little more, and you have that sound. You may practice it the first time, you may not get it. Keep practicing it, you will get it. You have something like this. Again. The difference between this and the letter C that we started with, the one that has the loose lip, is the hair. That one has this. See the difference? And the G has this, the C, the G, but still the same fingering chart, open. So the air begin to push higher. When you're moving higher, the airflow also follows the direction. We will do the same exercise, the same pattern as displayed on the screen.